Now we move away from ChatGPT's creative world of expansion and enter the opposite philosophy. If ChatGPT is expansion, ideation, and diversion, then Claude is compression, precision, and discipline. This is not just a different type of AI, it's a different, totally type of thinking. Claude, built by Anthropic, is based around one idea. AI should be helpful, but also safe, structured, and honest. It is not built to impress you, it is built to reduce mistakes. If ChatGPT feels like a creative director, then Claude feels like a senior consultant, reviewing your final report before submission. The first strength of Claude is massive context understanding. Claude's biggest qualities is to process immensely high inputs. It can handle entire books, legal contracts, long research papers, multi-file code bases, and more importantly, it does not lose earlier information so easily. This changes everything for document-heavy workflows. Let's look at why this all matters. Research labs, law firms, consulting companies. Work is not small prompts. It is massive documents as prompts. Claude's ability to handle the entire document in one prompt allows it to detect contradictions, summarize complex arguments, track references along the pages. And this is where it becomes extremely powerful. Claude naturally produces structured output, and that is its second strength, structured thinking. Instead of rambling paragraphs, it tends to generate clear sections, logical breakdown, step-by-step coding, step-by-step reasoning. This makes it ideal for business analysis, academic writing, policy summaries, technical documentation. It acts like a disciplined thinker. Claude's third strength is honesty under uncertainty. Claude is significantly more cautious when uncertain. If it doesn't know something, it often states limitations, avoids guessing, provides conditional reasoning instead of fabrication information. This makes it far more reliable in compliance work, scientific interpretation. It is designed to avoid confident wrong answers. So it doesn't tell you something that is wrong very confidently. It tells you what is right, and if it doesn't know something, it just avoids it. The first weakness of Claude is over restrictions. When safety comes to a cost, Claude is often too restrictive. It may refuse harmless prompt requests, ambiguous requests, over-interpret safety boundaries. This creates friction for users who want flexibility. In many cases, it's not unwilling, it's overcautious. Now let's come to the weakness 2 of Claude, which is limited real-time intelligence. Claude is not naturally built for live information. Compared to Gemini and Perplexity, it struggles with breaking news. It is weaker at live research tasks. It depends more on pre-existing knowledge. And that is the reason which stops it to be independent. This limits its use in trending analysis, real-time decision-making, and fast-changing environments. The third weakness of Claude is creative flatness. Claude is not designed to be highly creative. It tends to avoid risky tasks and ideas, prefers safe phrasing, reduces stylistic experimentation. It is weaker for storytelling hooks, viral content ideas, market creativity. It is precise but not explosive. Now, before we move on, let's quickly just summarize what we read in the Claude. Claude is best used when accuracy matters more than creativity. When documents are long and complex, which makes big prompts, which Claude is easy to handle with. Structured reasoning is required, in which hallucinations must be minimized. It is your analyst, consultant, reviewer, but not your ideation engine.